Have you ever considered how our homes could be more than just a place to lay our heads? Could it be that they're actually powerful wealth-building tools waiting to be utilized? Today, we're going to delve into the intriguing world of homeownership and its potential for wealth building. In the realm of financial planning, homeownership and renting are often seen as two opposing strategies. On one hand, renting provides flexibility and less upfront costs. But on the other hand, it offers no return on investment. It's like paying for a service, and once the money is spent, it's gone. Contrast this to the world of homeownership. Yes, there are upfront costs and ongoing maintenance expenses, but it's not money lost. Instead, it's money invested into an asset that, historically speaking, appreciates over time. It's like planting a seed and nurturing it to grow into a tree. Over the years, this tree not only provides shade, but also bears fruits that could be a source of sustenance. Furthermore, home ownership allows for leverage. This is a concept that's largely absent in the world of renting. When buying a home, you don't need to pay the full amount up front. With a fraction of the total cost, even as little as 3%, you can secure a property and let time and appreciation do their magic. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Homeownership comes with its own set of challenges: property taxes, maintenance costs, and the risk of market fluctuations. But with careful planning and prudent decision-making, these potential pitfalls can be navigated successfully. Now let's summarize the main points about homeownership as a wealth-building strategy. Firstly, homeownership is an investment, not an expense. The money you put into your property has the potential to grow over time, unlike rent payments that offer no return. Secondly, homeownership allows for leverage. With a small percentage of the total cost, you can secure a property and benefit from its full value appreciation. And finally, while there are challenges associated with homeownership, they can be successfully navigated with careful planning and prudent decision-making. In conclusion, while both renting and owning have their pros and cons, home ownership stands out as a powerful wealth-building tool. It's not just a place to live, but a strategic asset that, when utilized properly, can help grow your wealth and secure your financial future. So next time you think about your home, see it not just as a place to rest, but a seed of wealth waiting to be nurtured. Now that we've explored the strategic asset value of homeownership, it's time to introduce you to your guide for this journey. Meet Annette Hibbler, a competent real estate professional from Coldwell Banker. If you aim to buy or sell in South Michigan, Annette is the one you should reach out to. With her headquarters in Brighton and branches in Milford, Howell, and Pinckney, she has ensured her presence across the region. With a rich experience of over 10 years, she's well-versed in the intricacies of the real estate market. Annette isn't just a professional, she's your companion in this journey. She's prepared to assist you with all your real estate requirements. Be it locating your dream abode or getting the best price for your property, she's a reservoir of information at your disposal. Simply put, she's just a phone call away. So after learning about the strategic asset value of home ownership, it's important to remember, you don't have to do it alone. Annette Hibbler is ready to help you make that strategic move.